Long before memory, long before history, long before the world looked the way we know it today, Earth was a place of fire and silence. The sky burned, the ground cracked, oceans boiled beneath a hostile atmosphere. There were no forests, no animals walking on land, no sound of wings or footsteps. And yet, life had already begun. Not with strength, not with intelligence, but with persistence. This early Earth was unforgiving. The air was thin, the surface unstable, meteorites fell without warning, yet deep beneath the waves, something remarkable was happening. Simple life learned to endure. It did not rush, it did not compete, it waited. The oceans became Earth's first sanctuary. Dark, cold, endless. Here, life discovered a powerful secret. Survival does not require complexity. It requires balance. Among the earliest animals to ever exist were sponges. They had no eyes to see danger, no brain to think, no muscles to flee, and yet, they survived. For more than 600 million years, sponges filtered the oceans quietly, unchanged by catastrophe. While countless species appeared and vanished, sponges remained. They are living proof that sometimes, the simplest form of life is the most enduring. Then came the jellyfish. Soft, transparent, almost invisible. Jellyfish existed before dinosaurs, before sharks, before trees rooted themselves into the land. They drifted through mass extinctions, through frozen oceans and burning seas. No bones to break, no brain to overload, only movement, only instinct. For hundreds of millions of years, they floated through history untouched. Suddenly, life changed. The oceans filled with unfamiliar shapes, hard shells, primitive eyes, new ways to move, to hunt, to hide. This was the Cambrian explosion, a moment when life experimented wildly. Most of these creatures would disappear forever, but a few designs proved timeless. Among them, the horseshoe crab. Its shape has barely changed in over 400 million years. It crawled across ancient shores while continents drifted apart. It watched the rise of fish, the rise of dinosaurs, and their fall. Its blue blood, still unique today, would one day help humans detect deadly bacteria. An ancient creature, still saving lives in the modern world. Eventually, life dared to do the impossible. It left the safety of the sea. The land was harsh, barren, unforgiving. But some creatures adapted. They breathed differently, moved differently, survived differently. Evolution did not rush them. It shaped them slowly. Then came the sharks. They appeared long before dinosaurs ever walked the land. Their design was efficient, powerful, balanced. They survived asteroid impacts, ice ages, collapsing oceans. While the world changed around them, sharks changed very little. Nature had already perfected their form. They are not relics of the past. They are survivors of it. When fire fell from the sky, when the world darkened, when dinosaurs vanished, crocodiles endured. They slowed their hearts, lowered their energy, waited patiently. Time passed, and when the world healed, they were still there. Patience became their greatest weapon. The asteroid reshaped the planet. Forests burned, oceans acidified, entire lineages vanished overnight. More than 70% of life disappeared. But not all. Some animals adapted by hiding, some by slowing down, some by needing very little to survive. Extinction does not spare the weak. It spares the adaptable. Turtles swam beside dinosaurs. They witnessed the collapse of ancient worlds. Their shells are not armor. They are history, written in bone. Each slow movement is a reminder that speed is not always survival. Sometimes, endurance is enough. Today, these ancient animals still share the planet with us. They live in oceans altered by pollution, in rivers reshaped by cities, on land transformed by human hands. They have survived,